Welcome to another Collector Card Companion quick tip. Be sure to check out our other tips on our YouTube channel. Let's take a quick look at the tools available under the Tools menu. Here you can create a restoration job list. You can get more details about any of these tools by clicking the Help button on the tool page. Likewise, you can create an assembly job list. Here's where you can keep track of all the suppliers that you regularly use. This shows you a list of the restoration tasks that you can assign to a part. You can add and remove restoration tasks as needed through this tool. If you're going to use the same component over and over again, you can make it a common component. And here you see a number of common components that I've defined. We talk about templates in another video, but here's where you can manage the templates that you have. And finally, these are the preferences that you can set that will affect your account. We hope you found this tip useful. Be sure to check out our other tips on our YouTube channel.